Hey guys, there's quite a lot of videos on door handle removal, but just to refit these, this particular model M3 is a 2017 model, so they changed from the beginning of 2014, and these don't have the little spring-loaded clip in there. So when you go to refit the door handle, there's a little mechanism there that the door handle hooks onto. This particular one, when you pull the mechanism forward, it doesn't stay there, so it's quite sort of spring loaded. So the best way to refit it, and easiest way that I've found, you've got your little light that comes out, so that will just hook. You just basically dive the back of that hook all the way down and just flick it forward, and that just locks into place there. Once you've done that, then what you need to do is you need to, the metal thing here, I don't know if you can see that on the screen, it's got a tab up the top, like a little tab right there. So what you need to do is just grab a spike or a hook tool like that, and when you hook it onto the tab, make sure that it's sort of nice and thin and it sits up in the top there, so that once you do that, you can hook the handle on the back of it. So what I'll do now is just grab the handle. So dive your front end first, and that gives you plenty of room to be able to wiggle that handle in there and just hook it onto the back. So you might have to sort of wiggle that front end, that's what's sort of giving it a little bit of resistance, and then that will just go straight in there. Then you can release that, and then your handle's back on, no problem. Once you do that, just put your cap in and tighten it back up, and it's all done. Cheers.